Another important term which is shear force. Shear force is also the internal force which is developed due to the application of external load. The definition of the shear force is unbalanced vertical force to the right or left of the section. The shear force at any cross section of a beam is defined as the unbalanced vertical force to the right or left of the section. We have to follow the sign conversion while calculating the shear force as well. We have to apply the equilibrium equation and we need to find out the shear force. Here are the sign conversions. You can consider this as a left and this as a right. Right side down and left side upward is positive. Similarly, right side up and left side down is negative. So this is the sign conversion. You can keep it in mind, always calculating the shear force. When we apply the load on the member, it tends to shear off the member like this. So this is how shear force will act on the member. In order to resist this shear force, we have to provide the shear reinforcement. So the externally applied load tend to slide one portion of the beam or a member upward or downward with respect to the other. For example, consider a bread loaf. So here we are applying the force with the knife. So it is shearing of the bread loaf into pieces. Another example is cutting of the paper. So here we are applying the force through scissors, that is shearing of the paper. So this is the simple example for shear force.